Want to know how to use Tenable for endpoint security? Well, stay tuned because we're going to break it down in just a few minutes so you can keep your devices safe without the fluff. Tenable is a powerful cybersecurity tool that helps you protect your endpoints from threats. And here's the best part, you can use it for free through the link below, along with exclusive bonuses. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to get the most out of Tenable's endpoint security features. The first thing you need to know about Tenable is that it focuses on vulnerability management, scanning your endpoints for weaknesses that could be exploited. It scans for over 50,000 vulnerabilities, so you're not just getting a basic overview, you're getting a comprehensive analysis. This means you're ahead of potential threats before they even have a chance to attack. Next thing, Tenable gives you real-time visibility into your entire network. You can see which endpoints are at risk, monitor their security posture, and even track changes in your system. That's huge when it comes to maintaining ongoing security. With this data, you can make informed decisions on what needs attention. The third thing, Tenable is scalable. Whether you're a small business or part of a large enterprise, you can adapt the software to fit your needs. As your network grows, Tenable grows with you, ensuring that your endpoints are continuously monitored no matter how big or complex your environment gets. The fourth thing is Tenable's integration capabilities. It works seamlessly with other security tools you may already be using. You won't have to worry about switching systems or starting from scratch. Instead, it integrates with your current infrastructure to provide a more robust security setup. The fifth and final point you need to know is Tenable's reporting and compliance features. If you need to stay compliant with industry regulations, Tenable has you covered. It generates reports on vulnerabilities and threats, helping you stay on top of your security needs and proving you've taken the necessary steps to protect your endpoints. So, to recap, using Tenable for endpoint security allows you to scan for vulnerabilities, gain real-time visibility, scale with your needs, integrate with other security tools, and maintain compliance with ease. Plus, don't forget that you can get a free version of the software through the exclusive link below, so you can start protecting your endpoints right away. Before you go, make sure you check out the link for an extended, exclusive free trial.